Well, lens replacement surgery is cataract surgery. Cataract surgery is the traditional procedure that we do to people who get a cloudy lens. Our lens in our eye gets cloudier as we all get older, and at some point patients will complain that their vision is foggy or they can't see what they want to see. And cataract surgery is basically a quick procedure where we take the cloudy lens out through a small incision on the cornea, taking the cloudy lens out through ultrasound, crushing it up and sucking it out through the microincision, and then inserting a new lens implant. Now, on the NHS, cataract surgery is carried out daily. There's a few million each year carried out in the hospitals throughout the world. And the lens implant that's put into the eye is to give you better, clear vision. But the majority of cases, particularly in the NHS, you will need to wear glasses. For example, the lenses will give you distance vision and you will need glasses for reading and perhaps even fine-tuning your distance vision. So lens replacement surgery, how that differs from cataract surgery is that instead of putting a monofocal simple lens in your eye, we're going to put a premium lens in your eye. We're going to give you less dependency on your spectacles so that you can read without glasses, you can drive a car without glasses, you can go on your computer, you can do most tasks. And with lens replacement surgery, greater than 90% of people don't need spectacles for the rest of their life.